Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this video is regarding ticker symbol MULN, which is for MULN Automotive. And if you notice for last few days that ticker symbol is going upward, and last Friday it was up almost 5.6%. So in this particular video, I want to talk about the price action, option chain activity, and few other things, and also a report from Investor Place. So we're going to talk about it, and if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So looking at the chart, you can clearly see that MULN beginning of June, lots of volume came. That thing went all the way to 1.7, came back to 1.2. Again, it tried to go back up 1.54, then almost hit the bottom at $1, which it has a strong support and now is going up. So I'm going to talk about the price action more, but before that I want to congratulate you whoever made some money, especially on ticker symbol REV. From our suggested entry it moved almost 71%. The other one MREO, from our suggested entry it went all the way to 39% up. If you like this kind of pre-market alert with entry, exit, and target, also 9 a.m. live, then please join my Patreon community, just $9 per month. The link is in the first comment and also in the description. Join the community, make some money, and let's chill. So first of all, so if you look at the report, that it gains ahead of June 27th Russell 2000 launch and just came yesterday. So it will be added Russell 2000 and Russell 3000 indices on June 27th. Okay, there's the date, June 27th. Even though the news is not new, since the announcement of its inclusion on June 6th, it came down from 1.4, it came back to $1. Now it is trying to go back. So it came down, trying to go back up. So why it is a news? Like, why you are thinking that this is a important thing? Is MULN stock a buy before June 27th? So the main thing they are saying that this thing will be, it will come into focus for many investors. Okay, despite a rather bearish macro environment, MULN stock inclusion could drive buying volume. Okay, so index funds and other institutional investors tracking these indices will be forced to buy shares. Accordingly, this forced buying pressure is something investors may look to as a wave of cash away up. So anyway, so that's the big news. Like there should be more buying volume. There will be more buying pressure. That's the whole thing, and they're just buying the stock. So that is why we see them running up. In terms of the volume, you can see that beginning of March, when MULN was really hot, it was around close to $7, $10. Lots of volume came, right? After that, volume died again. On June, some volume came again. The volume is not looking that much, so we need some volume. The more volume comes, the price will go back up. In terms of the option chain activity, I don't see a lot of crazy option chain. The only thing I see, 1.5 strike for call option for the next Friday expiry date. Lots of call options waiting here. And also if I go to the monthly, which is July 15, I see for 1.5 and 2 call option, pretty cheap. And also if you look at call versus put, call has more ratio compared to put. Okay, so people are betting that MULN will go higher. In terms of the short interest, you can see currently the short interest is 9.08%, and off exchange it is 51%. If I go down, there is almost 500,000 shares available to short, and the cost to borrow fee rate is not that high, just 11%. So anyway, let's look at the chart now. So if you are not following MULN and this is the first time, just look at the chart, how it moved, right? So we know it was around 50 cents. From 50 cents it went to $4. It was crazy move, right? It was just in March. So it went to 4 and came down. Then again it was trying to make a move. So let's look at a perspective on a closer time frame. So first of all, if you think it was making a downtrend, absolutely you're right, because you can see it was down. It was making lower highs. It was coming down. It hit the resistance, supported $1. Why one important? You can see strong support at $1. So it came almost like $1 area. Yeah, $1. And now it broke the downtrend. Now it is going higher. Now another uptrend is forming. Going forward, I think it might hit the 1.4 area, which will be a resistance, because you can see one rejection, two rejection, again another rejection here. Also a couple of previous rejection at 1.4. So 1.4 will definitely act like a resistance. But if it can make enough volume and it can go through past 1.4, I think it will go back and hit 1.5 and 1.7 for sure. On the other hand, if things are dying down, market is crashing, who knows, it might come back to 1.2. So if you look at the bigger picture, like after 1.6, 1.7, this area, it has some room all the way to 2, 2.2. thing, but before that it has to break that $1.7 area. You can buy with share, you can buy with call option, entirely up to you. The call options are not bad. The IV is like 235, a little bit higher because yesterday was very volatile. It is very high. So anyway, just wanted to give you an update what is happening, what you were expecting. So anyone who bought at $1, congratulations, you are almost 30-40% up by now. Others who are holding, just keep holding, and let's see by June 17 what's going to happen, and after June 27 when it will be included to Russell 2000 and Russell 3000, we might see more buying volume. Anyway, if you like this particular video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and also join my community, and you can get pre-market alert, and we can all make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.